From the very beginning, MoneyDesktop has empowered and enabled its partners with the innovative products and solutions you see here. MoneyDesktop now serves hundreds of banks and credit unions, growing every day, and has been selected by over half of the online banking providers in the United States as their PFM partner, making MoneyDesktop the most broadly selected, adopted, trusted, and proven PFM partner. This has led to some rapid growth. In the last month alone, we have signed more than $10 million in new contracts. Our solutions have redefined PFM. PFM and the valuable data it creates comes down to engagement. Mobile and cross-platform are the new battleground of engagement. Having a second-class, substandard solution there is like walking onto a battlefield with a toy sword. Forward-thinking financial institutions have been telling us that for them to compete at the newest levels, especially with the growing pressure coming from outside of the banking industry, HTML-wrapped mobile solutions simply aren't cutting it. We already have the best HTML widgets available to fully support our partners, but as users have been demanding more, we want to help make sure our partners can deliver a fully modern experience. At Facebook's Mobile at Scale conference, featuring talks by developers from LinkedIn, Twitter, Dropbox, and of course Facebook, teams emphasized that HTML5 is a bad choice for end users, and the teams of those top companies had completely abandoned wrapped HTML, knowing that only native code would suffice. However, the alternative, coding for and maintaining so many platforms, Apple, Android, Windows, Amazon, just didn't make sense either. So, we have built a new type of application platform for our online banking partners, our mobile banking partners, and our financial institution partners, so that they can deliver amazing and rich experiences on any device. Announcing the first truly cross-platform framework for FinTech. We call it Helios. With the Helios framework, the user experiences beautiful tiles with up-to-the-second accurate financial data, stunningly displayed for effortless consumption by the end user. These tiles gracefully float across the device, enabling a user with just a quick browse to see all their critical financial information. With the tap of a finger, watch each tile flip and enlarge to display rich data about that user's accounts across all of their financial institutions. This framework enables you to delete the tiles you don't want and create any tile you can dream up for any service or mobile banking feature. But its coolest feature is that this app doesn't just work on Apple devices. It also works on Android, Windows, and Amazon devices. The exact same native code, written once, works everywhere. The Helios framework comes with a 256-bit military-grade encrypted local data store, which means users no longer have to wait. Getting into the app and getting to the data you need is fast, very fast. Months worth of data loading in milliseconds on a mobile app. This app works with not just slow internet, but with no internet, since it seamlessly syncs in the background whenever internet is available. A single piece of native code working seamlessly across all of these mobile devices is already an industry first. But when we say cross-platform, we mean cross-platform. That is why Helios also works perfectly on a laptop and a desktop. Again, with the exact same native code. Check your balance and see your last few transactions in milliseconds. Now, your brand proudly holds a permanent spot on your users' laptops and desktops as well. Today's users want to bank when, where, and how they want to bank. And Helios empowers you to let them do that on truly any platform. It took one of our engineers longer to drive to Best Buy to buy the Amazon Fire TV than it took him to have Helios installed on it. Now that's cross-platform. With an app built on Helios, you have something that makes people who are not yet account holders with you really take notice. But getting an account holder to experience your amazing app involves almost impossible friction, because in order for them to see how amazing your app is and essentially how well you digitally take care of your account holders, they would need to open an account with you first. That huge high friction step prevents potential account holders from experiencing your brand. That is, until now. Introducing WideNet, where your app built on the Helios framework allows for the first time in banking history, not only your account holders, but non-account holders, to download and use your app. This allows you to quickly, easily, and cost-effectively cast a wide net across all of the potential account holders you don't yet have, but want. When the first few financial institutions saw Helios and WideNet, they told us that for the first time, they saw a solution that they simply could not risk their competitors launching before them. Clearly, we have built a platform that supports our partners in far more ways than just a run-of-the-mill PFM. Everyone here knows that we long ago outgrew the name MoneyDesktop and MD. For that reason, I am very proud to announce we have decided to use an X that symbolizes the various ways we deliver for our partners to replace the D in MD. We are now MX, your partner to deliver next generation PFM in new ways the market demands, but the old stale PFM solutions out there simply cannot deliver. We at MX are excited to show you the power of Helios and WideNet. We are allowing a few financial institutions to have an initial exclusive on WideNet in their geographic area. Several financial powerhouses have already signed up in advance for this, including market leaders, America First Credit Union and BECU. Please visit mxenabled.com to find out about Helios and WideNet. Thank you.